Hey, it's Joanne from Glass Vinyl Graphics, and today I'm just doing a quick little video on how to use the text editor on our website. To access this, you just click on the tab that says Live Quote, and then you type into the box provided the letters you want cut in vinyl. Welcome to our store, and then you pop down here and choose a font. So we might choose Future Stud. We'll choose a color for the vinyl, and I will choose white for glass windows, and a font height, which is how about 45 millimeters. And as you can see, the width and the height of the sign changes automatically. So if you look at it and you go 542 millimeters wide, well, that's too big. We'll just reduce the font size back down to 30, and it will adjust accordingly. 364 by 30. Okay, I like that, and the price is $17.95, and you can see the font, actually see the font style in the box above. So I'm not too happy with that font. Let me try something else. Let's try Denmark and see what happens. Should change. Yes, welcome to our store. Yeah, I like that a lot better. And so you have the text, welcome to our store, font type. Oh, reverse cut for glass. Inside, we always select reverse cut. It's going to be 433 millimeters wide by 30 high. The font is 30. Okay, I'm ready to check out and pay. Click on Add to Cart. Click OK. Click View Cart. And my internet's a little bit slow today. Okay, so your cart is populated with the sign. It gives you a preview of the sign, the attributes, font Denmark, size, that's the font height, 30 millimeters, height 30 millimeters, width 433, reverse cut, the text is welcome to our store, and the color will be white. It gives you one quantity, and you can add a comment over here. And if you want to get a confirmation of the order, just put in your email address here, your domain.com. And it's let me see what else we got in here. Now you might want to put a second line of text in, so we just go continue shopping, and it will take you back to the same place you was before. Type in your second line of text. How about putting in something like shop now or shop here. We need to choose the font, white, reverse cut, and we'll add it to the cart again, and we view cart. And now it shows both signs in the shopping cart. First sign, second sign, all the attributes are there. Price $17.95, $12.15, subtotal $30.10, parcel post is $5.50. I'll give you a discount. Normally it's $7.80 these days, but I'll give you a discount. Total $35.60. I want to add more features. Okay, to the postage, a signature $2.90, extra coverage for damage $1.50. I'll take out the signature. Okay, agree to the terms, and then click out and buy now. And what that does, it brings you to my PayPal account. You do not have to have a PayPal account to use it. If you have a credit card, you just click continue, and you can use your credit card to pay. So it says here pay with card, so you click on that. And it will then take you to the page where you can just put in your credit card numbers and pay now, and done. The order comes to me, I cut the order, I ship it out to the address. Simple. Okay, that's it from Joanne at Glass Vinyl Graphics. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any problems, just drop me a line. My email address is on the website.